are there. It is a machine learning techniques model trying to using the label data will be there. Unsupervised model having instead having a label data will be there. Here supervised model having is the map of input variable to predict the output variables are which is having the x and y which is there. And supervised learning the supervised training models are performing with having the student learner thinks to present process of the teachers. Okay. Was with the guidelines only they want to perform. And supervised learning having classifications and the classification set is there and regression also there. That having some example having the different kind of foods are there to identify the whether it is a supervised learning model, identify the foods, classify it accordingly. So identify the image supervisedly to given the data as well as the output that which means that it's trying with the model by the same size and colors and the taste of the each food. Once the training is completed, we have to test the model given by the new set of foods and the foods predicting the outputs are from the supervision. Unsupervised machine learning are there with having that is another machine learning technique which are having the unlabeled data. Unlabeled data there is they have to find out by the structure and the pattern of the input data. Unsupervised learning does not having the any supervision required. Okay, data will be born. Unsupervised learning algorithm having the clustering and association problems are there. Example is the unsupervised learning algorithm. Example to find out unlike the unsupervised learning, the provided by there is any supervision and models are there to find the pattern about data. Suitable algorithm. The training itself divided the foods into the different groups according to most are similarly foods between them. What are different main difference? Supervised learning algorithm when the trained using label data, unsupervised learning algorithm using the unlabeled data. Supervised learning algorithm made by directing by the feedback check predicting the correct output or not. He does not check about the feedback. The supervised learning algorithm have it predicting that the output. Here I have a model to find the hidden patterns are there. Data is there. Okay. Here supervised learning algorithm having there is a model to along with outputs are there. Input data providing the model. Okay. Here I mean that output is given by the new data also, but hidden patterns are there used to the unknown things. Okay. The supervised model need supervision of the training models are there. Does not need by supervision model. Here I will classification regression be applied. In this model, I mean, there is a clustering and association be applied here. They check about input and corresponding output are checking by the supervised learning algorithm. Here only input is given, no corresponding output will not check. Supervised learning algorithm produced by the accurate result is there. Compared to this supervised algorithm, here produced less accurate or limit produced. Okay. Here I always having the not closer to the true with having this artificial intelligence are there. It having the more closer to this artificial intelligence learning algorithms are there. Here, what are the base algorithms are there? Linear regression space, SVM algorithms are there, and decision trees are there. Here, having that is a unsupervised algorithm, KNN. The K nearest neighbor algorithm, hierarchy clustering, anomaly detection, neural networks are there. The segmentation. Segmentation is referred by the segmenting by data according to the company. We define it as analyze into the different defined context. Nothing about splitting the groups. Splitting the group better to understand about the customer who is visitor, who is going to buy an item, who is will not buy an item. To improve the website had to be built by the mobile application further. Concern that had to analyze certain element having the single one combined one have to be applied. Segmentation can be done from as the result related by the visit and as well as element related by the multiple visit during by the student period. The having two types is there. One is segmentation and non-segmentation are there. Objective of the segmentation identify the type of the customer to respond by the particular offer. To identify the high spender of the among the customer who will be the e-commerce channel to the festing the shopping. The segmentation the identify customer default using by the credit obligation of the loan and the credit card. Non-objective segmentations are here I will apply by there is a customer being has understood and a specific profile existing with them as a customer. So having is a multiple marketing action personalize each things are there. Here non-objectives are there and having the general basic influence will be there. Critical that have elements are regression based segmentation are regression analysis focus on this finding the relation between the different variable and one or more independent variables are there. So predicting the value of the different variable based on the value at least give a different variable. They explain about impact based on the independent variable and that is the different variable also. We have this from the linear logic regression technique want to be applied here. Separate model to be applied by here as the two three models are there. CHAI model, CRT models are effective by the effectiveness of segmentations. Here, creating separate model to separate segments are there. Time consuming is not as a worthy of the effect, but having creating a separate model to separate the segment may provide by the hierarchical predictive powers are there. Decision tree algorithms are decision tree classical algorithms are there. Decision tree is the supervised learning algorithm. Both classification and regression problem want to be solved by using the classical using the decision tree algorithm. Here having is the minimize the human errors made by the ECT to be understood and give a better output for them. Simply ask the question whether give a yes or no prediction will be there, and graphical representation will be given by the decision tree, and tree structure classification what to given. Almost decision tree having two or more nodes will be available. Either decision node having the decision taken by the multiple branches are there. Here having the leaf node having the output. Okay, decision will not having the further branches will be there. Decision tree algorithm now it is a decision tree algorithm. So many well-known algorithms are there, and this one popular algorithm is the IDD algorithm. Is iterative deterministic tree will be there. There are two major type of the decision tree algorithms are there. One is the classification tree, another regression tree. Classification having yes or no are there. Regression tree having continuous data types are there. The continuous data type means either having the fit or unfit compromise classification type, and having decision is taken whether having continuous data will be there. Here, what are the different nodes are there? Nodes. Suppose having the decision tree terminology, root node will be there, leaf nodes are there, splitting node will be there, branch and subtrees are there, parent and children nodes are there. Decision representation based on the each non-leaf node concerned. Okay, having each branch carried by the particular of the test purpose are there. Example for that is the one decision are there. I'll take my decision having this another decision will be take from left or right will be there. Here having some example for the outlook. Sunny forecast trends are there. Always forecast give the yes. Sunny having this another conditions are there. Multiple parameters are there. Humidity be normally able to play. Likewise having that is the decision tree will be there. Decision tree segmentation will performing with followed by disjunction conjunction method. Disjunction conjunction method considered by the attribute of the value of the instant. Okay, here decision tree classification instant having sorting down from the tree from this root node to the leaf node. After the classification performed from as the root node to leaf node only. Okay, each branch having the descending order one performing from the base of the attribute value. Each of the root node decision tree testing the attribute of the node moving down from as the tree corresponding node. Here, after the all the decision tree be classification performing, respond by the set of the if and truths want to perform. How does the decision tree algorithm is work? Okay, having the main thing is splitting the heavily effect on this tree accuracy. The decision criteria and different on this classification regression tree. The decision tree is used by the multiple algorithm decide to split by the one into the two or more subtrees. The subtree having increased the homogeneous and resultant have subtrees are there. Otherwise, we can say about the purity and non-increasing by the respect of the target value. The tree buildings are there. Tree buildings are done had to perform with having the level by level flowchart like and non-leaf method have to produce. Here almost algorithm is the ideal algorithm is the best famous one iterative ideal algorithm and C 4.5 algorithm also there and CRT classification and the regression trees are the CHI model CHI model square root squared automatic interaction detection performed by multi-level split when having the computing by classification tree. Mars is the multivariant adaptive regression spinelines are there and conditional interference are there. Ideal algorithm is built by as a top-down trading approach will be there. With that, there is no applied by the backtracking algorithm. Ideal algorithm given by the name suggested, always made by the choice, seems by the best at the moment. The decision tree providing the class of the given by data sets. The algorithm start from as a root node to the root node of the tree. Algorithm compared with the value as the root attribute with the there is record attribute. Based on the comparison, following by that is the branch and the jump of node. The next node of the algorithm is compared with the attribute value, other by the sub nodes in the move further. Here as the root node is a yes, compromise the level by level. Yes is having the data and defined by the attributes. Data shall be presented over there and divided into the small section. Go to the decision will be go there. After decision, go to this regressing order perform. New decision will be there. Go to the respective. Here as the entropies are there. How you selecting the particular the attribute value? Apply by entropy value be apply. Always entropy value between by the probability value 0 to 1. The always probability above 0.5 is the middle value. Above is the go from as a 1. Below is the go to the selecting by the bottom side. Okay, the other tools are there. SAS, Enterprise Miners are there, MATLABs are there, R programming are there, Vega tool, Orange, and also Microsoft SK will be there. SKI kit learns are there, and also having there is a rapid miners are there. The multiple decision tree, like when there's a combined with the classification and regression tree, you combine when there's a multiple decision tree want to be given. Call about is the classification and learning task will be there. The call about the classification and regression tree model call about the CART model is written in 1984. The classification tree algorithm having fixed and categorical values are there. Okay, they have an algorithm used to identify the class which target variable would have is likely fall. For an example about classification type of the problem would be determined by who will or not. Okay, it is subscribed by the digital platform. who will do and who will not have the result graduate from the higher school at all. They have been selecting by the category further. Simply binary classification want to be applied by there is a both data from as a only or two mutual value. The decision trees are there. The person referred by the algorithm where target values are the algorithm used to predicting by the value which are continuous one. An example about regression example, you may find out by the predicting by the selling the price of the residential house, which has continuously different variables are. This will be dependent on the continuous factor, like by the squared footage of the actual categorization. Difference between the classification and regression. Classification is from as data sets, splitting the class, whether yes or no will be there. More than two classes are also classified. Regression is from as a response to the continuous data. Response variable sometimes like from as the price of that property and temperature of the day. Regression we want to use. Otherwise, all about the prediction type of the problem, each one the classification and the what we apply. And still having the CA RT model will be there. The CRT model, here having the decision variables are the decision variable with having the pure and the subtracts are the AR type of method decision to classify to predict which method I can decision and three having the pruning methods are there. The pruning is a data compression technique or measuring algorithm. They here reducing by the size of the decision tree, removing section of the tree. Non-critical and redundant classification instance are there. Pruning reduce the complexity of the final classification. They improve the predicting accuracy and reducing by the overfitting problem. Here some examples are there. All nodes are connected. Here some nodes are be removed. After removing the other node also we give the vector output for that. Pruning techniques having that is the pre-pruning techniques will be the post-pruning techniques are there. Here having it is the that entire approach program is the pruning method. Having the top-down approach will be there and bottom approach will be there. Top-down approach program method is the start from the last node in the tree. They followed by the recursive upwards method. 11 by each individual node. Relevant to this, the classification not given. Node is dropped and replaced by the leaf. Advantage of the subtree can be as the large and replacement method. Reduced by error pruning method be applied and minimum cost complexity pruning method apply. Minimum error pruning method not apply. Top down pruning approach be applied. The contrast by the bottom approach is having brought from the root node followed by this as the bottom side. Five models are there. We go is the Guinea index impurity methods are there. Guinea index used on this CRT model. Okay, here with the overfitting are the overfitting. Underfitting, and the balancing is there. Underfitting means most of the value not possible to be based on the exact line. Okay, balance line is the upper and the bottom value both are having nearest is there. Overfitting lines are there. One point up, one point down is there. We cannot in the point. We cannot possible to plot here exact value. This having the 1 hour example underfitting. To simple example about this circle and the margin, circle and the cross one. To see that somewhat having this underfitting are there. Always having this middle values are. Here having the appropriate fittings are we really crossing the boundary for that. Here having the exactly crossing. Where circle is there, where the plus is there, everything to find out. Here always here only can apply by the blue property want to be applied here. The underfitting or fitting best fits are. The best fit model give by the better output you want to produce. Time series method. This is one of the important questions in the exam. Time series method is analyzing the focus on the data and the time series is a widely variety of domains are there. Economy, earthquake prediction, science and engineering are there. Highly popular by providing by the spectrum and the numerical stock market analysis, economic sales, forecast, budget analysis are there. Natural phenomena of the atmosphere pressure and the temperature, wind speed, earthquake also converting by the time series. Time series are available predicting the future value, getting the anomalies in the data required by the main data points are there. Entire analysis that have consistency and reliability. Different data model and analysis are there. Creating by the through by time series. Classifications are there, crowd fittings are there, descriptive analysis are there, and explanative analysis are there, exploratory analysis are there. Forecasting is are there, interventions analysis are there, segmentations are there. The component is the component. Okay, the component having long-term trends will be seasonal components will be the cyclical variations are. The long term is having to go from the season as a long. The increasing, decreasing by some patterns are followed. The pattern having time series having there is within the year only. Call about is the seasonal. Seasonal means four seasons are there. The cyclones effects are there as per the seasonal variation. Okay, rise and fall may be the time period going to taken. The irregular variation is the we cannot possibly expecting the exact value. What is the exact value? Low or high? Okay, we expecting by low to come to this high. So only having the stationary variation also. They give an example for the ARIMA. ARIMA nothing about is the auto regressive integrated moving average model is there. In the model called about the ARIMA model. Sometimes is the same thing called about the auto regressive moving average model also. The integration will not be. He call about the ARIMA, ARMA. This model fit in the time series model, either having a better understanding about the predicting by the future points on series. They have applied by the some case of the evidence of the non-stationary item. The popularly by having the statistical method, time series focus method applied by the ARIMA model only. It is having it is a class of the model captured by the spectrum. Different standard temporal structure present on the time series method have ARIMA model. Here we apply by the univariate models are the single time variant method. Here having that is the important point is the non-thesanal Arima models are the PDQs are the PDQ also non-negative number, P nothing about the auto reversive, D having the difference, Q nothing about the moving average. The parameters substituting by the Arima model to get by the further outputs are there. Here I explain about what is the P. They have the observation including by the model and known by this lag order. And having the D having this differentiation, Q nothing about is it is a moving average. When I make by the unvariant stationary process will be the ARMM model having the two variable only used, P and Q only used. Auto regressive model compromise the P and the moving or compromise the Q only. The sometimes that is same. ARMA stand for the auto regressive integrating moving averages are there. It having the equivalent from as the auto regressive. They have to legs are there, enable to adjust the model. Like example for this, 20, 30, 40 are they make by the average value. The average the nearby 30 will be coming as the average value. Okay, what is this non-singular ARIMA model PQD? We are taken by some time and time is taken. D0, D1, D2 will be there. Y t equal to 1, y t equal to time series are given. When you calculating by the general forecasting equation, substitute by the same formula, you get some answer from. We have to find by here as a measured by forecasting accuracy on to be calculated by the MFT. MAD is there that using the forecasting error will be there, forecasting model bias will be the absolute size and comparing with the alternative in the forecast model. ELTL approach will be there. Extraction transform load approach is there. Explicit data representation is there. Extract data from the homogeneous heterogeneous data source, transform the data into storing by the proper format or structured query in the analyzed format. Load into this the final target and specifically get the output for it. Usually, if the three phases are there, taken time process and transformation process executed process and loading the data. Okay, the ETL having the common interacting by the multiple applications like by the result typically as a development of the supporting by the different vendor host by this convert hardware. The desperate by system containing by the operating system different employee. For example, cost account people combined by this payroll sales purchasing are there. These are the tools are there. Tools ETL tools are there. Okay. The extraction. The extraction is the step of cover data extraction from as the source. Okay. Extra source system make by the accessibility and the further process. Extra step having review and retrieving data from as the source system. Little resources possible, still possible, and update notification will be the increment extraction will be the full extraction will be there. Clean and identifying the unique, convert to the null value and validating the address fields are there, validating the address field. Transformations are performing. Transformations steps apply to the set and source the data. Convert the measurement data into the some dimensional value. Okay, required by the join the data from several sources, generating the aggregacy, generating the subkeys and sorting derivatives are there. Load. The load having the step necessarily the ensure that having the all load performance. Okay, loading all the file database from the database. Okay, ETL approach will be the managing by ETL process. That's it, students. Here is the very important thing as the this two model. This ETL approach is the one of the important question. Okay, when I come to here, ARMA model. ARIMA model is the another important question. Okay. ARIMA model and the ARIMA model is the another important question. Diva model, the time series method. When I come to here as the CHAI model, one important question. The pruning, they ask about the pruning as a two more question. This is the pruning, regression tree, and the comparison between the linear and regression tree and segmentation. What is the classifications, and also what are tools are used. Here, the decision tree is one of the big mark question. You can remember by IT algorithm. You can write try and update segmentation and type segmentation also one of the two mark three mark questions are there here. This may be getting by the one big mark question. What is supervised algorithm? What is the unsupervised algorithm? What are comparisons are there? Thank you. All the best for exam.